In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add canonical tag in Dreamweaver. We'll walk through preparing the head of your page properly in Code View, adding a unique page title and a concise meta description, and then saving and previewing your work in a browser. These elements live in the head section, just like a canonical tag would, so getting this right sets a solid foundation for clean, search-friendly pages. Start by opening your page in Dreamweaver and switch to Code View. Code View gives you full control over your HTML, which is exactly what we need. If you're currently in Design or Split View, look for the Code option at the top of the document window and select it. This makes it easy to see the structure of your page and place your tags precisely where they belong. Next, locate the head section near the top of your HTML. You'll see it between the opening and closing head tags. The head is where you include information about the page that browsers and search engines use, such as the page title and meta description. It doesn't display on the page itself, but it's essential for SEO and a clean user experience. Inside the head, add or edit the title tag. The title should be unique to the page and clearly describe what the page is about. This is the text that appears on the Browser tab and often as the clickable headline in search results. Keep it clear, specific, and avoid duplicating titles across multiple pages. Right below the title, add a meta tag for the description. It looks like a meta element with name set to description and a content attribute containing your summary. Keep this description concise and relevant, usually up to around 150 to 160 characters. Think of it as a short pitch for your page that encourages users to click in search results. Avoid keyword stuffing. Natural language works best and tends to perform better. Once you've added your title and meta description, save your file. Use the standard save command, and then preview the page in a browser from Dreamweaver. You should see your title on the Browser tab. The meta description won't appear on the page, but you can confirm it's there by viewing the page source if you want to double-check. Also, remember that descriptions are suggestions for search engines. They may sometimes show different text, but a good description increases the chances they'll use yours. That's it. You opened your page in Code View, found the head, added a unique title and a concise meta description, then saved and previewed. This simple routine keeps your pages organized and search-friendly.